Adam Tompkins here. Today we're going to talk about ZENESIS polishing pads. When it comes to pads, they say good ain't cheap and cheap ain't good. I don't know about that, but what I do know is if you do a value analysis, taking account all the factors, quality, speed, life, you're going to find these pads are the best bang for the buck. When I do these trainings, I like to make a sample piece to show sequentially what each grit is doing. Here's the 50, here's the 100, 200, 400, 800, 1500, and at 3000 you see that's a factory finish, perfectly matching the finish on the top. And the way I break it down is here, 50, 100 to 200, we're sanding the material. We're taking the scratches out, taking out any saw marks, things like that. And then 200 to 800, we're honing. This is your last chance to take out any of the flaws or any of the imperfections. Then at 1500 and 3000, we're just polishing. And man, do these leave a great finish. But you're gonna see for yourself. We're gonna do a piece of natural stone and we're gonna do a piece of quartzite. You'll see, these pads are definitely gonna give you the best bang for the buck. So there you go, a spot-on factory finish and in about no time. So do the value analysis for yourself. Look at the quality, the speed, the life, and I think you'll see these pads earn the right to be called ZENESIS. Before I leave, I want to say a special thanks to Kirby Enterprises for letting us use their facility. I'm Adam Tompkins. We'll catch you on the next one.